So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So here I am with the live reaction of all the students who appeared in the first attempt of JEE 2023, that is first shift first day 24th of Jan first shift. All reaction I have gathered from lots of students, and after that I am here to provide you all the analysis, that is what was the difficulty level of the paper subject wise, what was the important chapter from which most question were asked. So please try to listen my word very carefully, and very soon I will be providing you the marks versus percentile particularly for this shift, and also the minimum marks to get qualified for the advanced examination category wise. So please try to subscribe the channel. This is what I am requesting you, because you will be getting all the shifts analysis and marks versus percentile separately on the same channel. So please try to subscribe. So first of all, if you will talk about the difficulty level, then the overall difficulty of the paper was moderate to difficult, and it is not because the paper was so much difficult, because this is the first attempt and many students haven't prepared for the attempt, so that's why they find the paper a bit difficult. But the paper was a typical JEE mains paper in which mathematics was hard, not because of the toughness of the question, because of the lengthiness of the paper, because it takes lots of time, as I have got the information from the student. So mathematics, if you will talk, then important topics were from calculus, there was maximum number of question, and from probability, matrices, determinant, vector, 3D, complex number, there was question. So these are the important chapter you can take, that is in the first attempt whatever question they ask in the first shift, that may repeat in the upcoming days as well. So you can take those chapters also if you want, otherwise you can skip if you have already covered other parts. But what is the most important thing is that many students have done lots of guessing work because they were not having the proper syllabus covered. So I would just like to inform you and request you, please avoid negative marking, because that will spoil your percentile later. So please try to focus on that also. So now if you will talk about the physics, it was moderate, because in every type of JEE paper you will find physics as moderate. So it was moderate, that is there was some tricky question as well. So now if you talk about the important chapter from the physics, then modern physics obviously the most important, then gravitation, then thermodynamics, and there was question from kinematics as well, and other parts also, but most of the question were asked from these parts. So I've informed you. Now if you talk about the chemistry, the chemistry was easiest among all, but there was some tricky question from particularly organic chemistry, and if your GOC is good, you will find it easy, otherwise it is too much difficult for the student. So please try to work on that if possible, if your exam is in later days. So now if you talk about the other chapter from where the question were asked, then biomolecules, there was question from SPDF block of element, chemical bonding, there was question, solid state solution, chemical kinetics. So please try to focus on this type of chapter, and there was repetition of question. This is surprisingly in JEE examination there is no repetition in previous year, one or two you can say, but there was lots of question repeated from previous year. There was data change, but almost pattern was similar. So you can go for the previous year question as well, it is particularly 2021 and 2022 JEE examination. So this was the short review and analysis of the paper, it is 24 shift 1. Complete analysis and review I will be providing you for second shift as well, and for this shift I will provide you the marks versus percentile and minimum marks to get qualified for JEE Advanced very soon in the same channel. And if you want to get the same information in Hindi language, you can subscribe my Hindi channel, that is Admission Academy. Thank you.